return multiple things from the function. How to return multiple values from the function. That we are going to learn it. We are trying to calculate function power. Here we are writing two things we are writing here, x power y as well as y power x. Let us do practically this one so that we'll get more clarity. Okay, I'm going here, then let us go and try to write the code. So I'm trying to accept, define function power on each other. One each other I am trying to provide here. So two arguments, the runtime I want to accept. One is called as argument 1, second is called as argument 2. Then straight away we are returning here whatever argument 1 is available, that power argument 2 I want to take it. Then argument 2 whatever available, that power argument 1 I want to take it, execute it. So how many things we are returning here? This is a one expression, comma, then what is this? This is a second expression. That means two things we are trying to return in the runtime. For example, if I pass here function power, whatever we have it, function power on each other, let us say 2 comma 5 I am passing. 2 power 5 is 32, 5 power 2 is 25. If I try to execute that one, we are getting same result 32 and 25. But did you notice or not, the result is came with this round brackets. Within the round brackets, items are available. It's called as dictionary or set or list or tuple. What data structure? Tuple. So I can say the default return type of return type of function is what? Tuple. In case of multiple values, this is it is applicable. In case of multiple values, it is applicable. Okay, if you want, you can go and you can see what is the data type of this one. You can go and you can see it. For example, this function I am taking as it is. The result I am trying to store into one of the objects that is called as A. Then I am asking what is the type of A I am asking. It is showing as clearly it is a tuple. It is a tuple. So function will return multiple values in the shape of what is this? Tuple. Now I want to do here, for example, unpack. I want to do it. You know already how to do the unpack. I don't want to go for the tuple. Individual values I want it, let us say. Then what we can do is we can go and we can write here is equal to let us say a comma b is equal to I am writing. That means what? The function is returning tuple. The tuple two values we are passing, first value to the a and second value to the b we are passing. Let us go and try to see what is the a value we are expecting now. 32. B value we are expecting what? 25. So this is unpack. We are going to do it. This function is returning tuple. The tuple we are trying to first value to the a, second value to the b. We are passing it. Okay. End of the day, you tell me function is returning one value or multiple values. Only one value function is returning. That is tuple. It is returning. Tuple internally has n number of values, doesn't matter. The basic rule of any language, it may be SQL, Python or wherever, function always returns only one value. But in our Python also it is writing only one, that is tuple. The tuple internally has n number of values, that is different story. So wherever if we want to situation multiple values it has to return, it will try to bind all values into the tuple. Tuple will be written. Tuple internally has a number of values. If you want to organize in other way, you can organize it. For example, I am trying to take this function as it is. You don't want the tuple as a end result. Then intermediately, we can go and we can say RS is equal to, you can calculate this expression whatever available you can calculate inside the list, we can calculate it. I am passing inside the list, I am passing argument 1 power argument 2 like that. Then we are trying to take here RS. Now if I go and try to observe here this function whatever available function power, I calculated this as what? List I calculated, right? So if I go and try to say 2 comma 5, we are going to get the result in the shape of what shape we are getting? List. Now also it is returning, how many things it is returning? Only one list it is returning. That list internally has n number of objects. In my case it is 2 objects. If I want to unpack it, you can go and you can unpack it. For example, x comma y is equal to like this. Then you can see x is equal to 32 and y is equal to 25. We are able to see it. So if you want to return multiple values from the function, yes, we do have the provision. Default function will write in the tuple shape, it is going to write it. If you don't want the tuple, then we can go on, we can say list, we can prepare it, that list we can pass it. Is it clear? So please practice this one. With this, we completed, we know how to define the function without arguments, without return type. We know how to define the function with arguments, without return type. We know how to define the function with arguments, with return type also. And multiple values, how to return it, we are aware of it. And what you mean by required argument or mandatory argument, we are aware of it. Okay, please practice it.